Are you being annoyed by the CNG Key Isolation Service DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we get started with CNG Key Isolation Service, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the CNG Key Isolation Service, the CNG Cryptography Next Generation Key Isolation Library. It manages the background storage and secure handling of private keys for SSL certificates and user logins. If corrupted, the key isolation service will fail, preventing the OS from joining secure domains or authenticating VPN sessions. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like CNG Key Isolation Service. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the CNG Key Isolation Service component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like CNG Key Isolation Service DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing CNG Key Isolation Service and system behavior. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing CNG Key Isolation Service was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.